The best way to flip a PC in 2026, now that RAM and storage are so expensive, is just probably to buy an entire PC.
I just drove 40 minutes last night to buy this gaming PC from a seller who had it listed for $350, but I negotiated down to 325. As you can see, it's quite dusty, so I'm charging up the air blower I bought from AliExpress so I can take this PC out to blow out all the dust. But first, let's test if the PC actually works. Got some lights, and we've got a post. Asus motherboard is very dusty, so let's clean this out first. I'm actually gonna also do a motherboard swap because this has a 3-pin ARGB controller right here, and also down here, and it also has 4 RAM slots, while this one has 2 and no ARGB controller. It's pretty much the same, but this is the more expensive version. I'm gonna keep this for another build.
Since the motherboard doesn't have Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, we're going to be adding a Wi-Fi card with Bluetooth from AliExpress. It's gonna be a little bit tight, but at least it doesn't hit the GPU.
So these are the results from a 3D Mark TimeSpy benchmark, and let's check the temperature. The GPU at 99% load, we've got a temperature of 58 degrees, and the CPU at 99% load, we've got a temperature of 61 degrees. It's doing well. It's under 70 Celsius.
After a few days, I ended up doing a case swap, and the PC now looks like this. I had some issues with the other one, but I think 6 RGB fans should sell better. And for the other motherboard, it ended up in this PC build with a RTX 3060 and a Ryzen 7 3700X that I had laying around.